Photoelectron spectrum of oxygen molecule. It can be explained by considering the molecular orbital diagram of oxygen molecule. This is the molecular orbital diagram of oxygen molecule. It contains totally 16 electrons. These are filled in molecular orbitals formed between two oxygen atoms according to Abba principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This is 1 sigma g bonding molecular orbital, then 1 sigma u anti-bonding molecular orbital, 2 sigma g, 2 sigma u, 3 sigma g, 1 pi u, 1 pi g, and 3 sigma u. Therefore, the electronic configuration is 1 sigma g2, 1 sigma u2, 2 sigma g2, 2 sigma u2, 3 sigma g2, 1 pi u4, 1 pi g2. The ground state of oxygen molecule is also expressed with a term symbol 3 sigma g minus. By removing one electron from any of these orbitals, a series of ionic states, each with a different energy, arises. In general, electronic states are also often identified by an empirical single letter label. The ground state is labeled with X. Excited states of the same multiplicity are labeled in ascending order of energy with the capital letters A, B, C, etc. Excited states having different multiplicity than ground state are labeled with lowercase letters A, B, C, etc. Therefore, the ground state of oxygen molecule is also expressed by single letter label X with the term symbol. Hence, the ground state is X 3 sigma g minus. The removal of an electron from the ground state of oxygen molecule leads to a hole in one of the orbitals. In photoelectron spectroscopy, when an electron is removed from 1 pi g orbital of oxygen, results capital letter X 2 pi g ground state of O2 plus ion and gives a signal at 12.070 electron volt with vibrational structure spacing 1780 centimeter inverse. The vibration spacing of oxygen molecule is 1568 centimeter inverse. There is no appreciable change in vibration spacing, indicating that 1 pi g orbital is antibonding orbital. When spin down electron of 1 pi u orbital is ionized, results lowercase letter A 4 pi u ionic state and gives a signal at 16.101 electron volt. Whereas when spin up electron of 1 pi u orbital is ionized, results capital letter A 2 pi u ionic state and gives a signal at 17.045 electron volt with vibrational spacing 1010 centimeter inverse. It is significantly decreased from 1568 centimeter inverse of oxygen molecule. It indicates that 1 pi u orbital is bonding orbital. Similarly, when an electron is removed from 3 sigma g orbital, results two ionic states. When spin down electron is ionized, results lowercase letter b 4 sigma g minus ionic state and gives a signal at 18.172 electron volt with vibrational spacing 1090 centimeter inverse. And when spin up electron is ionized, results capital letter B 2 sigma g ionic state and gives a signal at 20.297 electron volt with vibrational structure spacing 1130 centimeter inverse. There is appreciable change in vibration spacing of 4 sigma g minus and 2 sigma g minus ionic states, indicating that 3 sigma g orbital is bonding orbital. Thank you for watching.